Yo guys, welcome back to another trading recap. So today, so basically, since Sunday, I forgot to make a trade recap. Actually, I made a trade recap on Sunday, but I forgot to post it for some reason. So I'm not even gonna, I'm only gonna go over the trades we made during Asian session. So first off, I just want to say that I'm gonna be quitting Asian session. And it's not just because of today, but today definitely helped me kind of realize that um if I was gonna be doing this like full time, or if I was gonna be making like any type of if I was just trading on a live account on my own money in general, I would only be trading New York session and I would not be trading Asian session. And there are definitely lots of good trades to take during Asian session, like the one we could have taken today. But I've just decided, I think it's for the best for me to only trade New York session. So yeah, I will be able to make. I'm gonna start making weekly trade recaps. So yeah, probably. So on Friday I'll make a trade recap, and I should be able to easily do it since I'll only be trading New York. So that's a good thing about trading New York. And then the other thing is like we don't need to be trading Asian session. We're trading too much. It's way too much trading. Way too much looking at the charts. I've made plenty of good trades in Asian session. Plenty of good trades to take, but I'm just gonna stick to New York and see what happens. So yeah, so that's first off, and then second off, let's just go over today. So during Asian session, my bias was bearish. So I wanted to be bullish, but I'll explain why I was bearish. So basically, it looks like we're going after this daily low, right? And we have a SMT on ES. Boom. Lower low on NQ, higher low on ES. I already have it marked out. So that was pretty much, so this first trade, okay, this is the trade I really wanted to take. I was like, yo, this is going to be a great trade. So basically, where's market open? Wait, market opens at, bro, wait, it's somewhere here. I think it's off this candle, or this one, wait. No, wouldn't it be like 18? So off this candle, okay, this candle is market open. Yeah, this candle is market open. And immediately we formed this bullish for value gap, right? Boom, disrespect it. And I'm like, okay, yo, we're looking pretty bearish now that I think about it. And we're also in this equilibrium here from this movement down. We're in this equilibrium, right? And it looks like we're about to have a nice reaction off of it. So I was waiting for this fair value gap to get inversed first, right here. So my bad. So that fair value gap got inversed, and then I was waiting for this one to also get inversed for me to enter. But as you can see, when it got inversed, that was a horrible entry, right? So we made this up candle, and then that's when I realized, I'm like, yo, we got this beautiful setup here. Equilibrium is perfectly lined up with this bearish imbalance. If we can just hit this point, I'm going to enter with like 3 contracts. All we had to do was hit it, or hit this point here. This would have been the thing to hit. And yeah, I would have entered off of that. But sadly, we never hit it, so I never entered, and we just started dumping immediately. And another really good thing is these triple equal lows here and here. These are like quadruple equal lows. Wow, that's like, yeah, this is a huge magnet for price. So I was like, yo, this setup is really, really good. But We never got to enter. We just decided. Obviously, the trade was right. I mean, we dumped a ton. Yeah, but we would have set our TP here. So yeah, that's pretty much that trade. And then after that, there wasn't really a point in trading ES because I was like, those lows are all swept. So I'm gonna just switch to NQ for the volume. And actually, it looks like we might form a bullish SMT, but I doubt it because we're probably gonna want to take out this daily low. So it doesn't matter though. I'm not trading. So yeah. So after that, I was like, okay, I'm gonna look for a little retracement, and that's exactly kind of what we got on this trade, except I didn't take it, and I'm about to explain why. So we have this retracement and rejection off of this 1 minute fair value gap. So at this point, I'm just kind of waiting for a good entry or for price to say, like, yeah, we're probably going to dump more. So we inverse this bearish 1 minute. So that's a little confusing to me. I'm like, yo, that's a little weird. We make equal highs on the 1 minute right here. Boom. Come up, take these equal highs out, form this bullish fair value gap. So that's when I'm like, okay, yeah. If we hit this, if we inverse this, I'm going to enter again. Set our stop above this. And I was about to enter, but I was in a Zoom class and I got distracted, and our entry would have been like that, because I got distracted, and I was not gonna take that trade. But if I was locked in and we weren't in the Zoom class, our entry probably would have been something like this, which would have been great. But I mean, man, it's whatever. It really sucks, and that kind of and we set our TP for that trade at this boom, bullish hourly fair value gap. And it kind of sucks because I don't know what I was about to say, but wait, hold up. Let's just see. Okay. I don't know, man. It sucks, but I mean, there's nothing we can really do about it except complain. But yeah, it was my fault, and that kind of made me a little bit sad, or yeah, honestly mad. So I took these two pretty bad trades. I mean, there's nothing to them except inverse fair value gap here, inverse fair value gap here. That's literally it. And I guess a rejection off this 5 minute FEG. But I mean, that's literally it, man. I mean, there's nothing to those two trades we actually took, and we're back at square one, by the way. So we're down 600 on the day. We were up like 600 after New York session was done, like overall in the account. And yeah, so we're back to square one, and not much to say other than we just need to really lock in. So yeah, it's time. I'm only gonna be trading New York. Only gonna be trading New York session. No more Asian session forever, man. Cause I mean, I wouldn't be trading Asian if I was trading on a live account. So why am I doing it now? I have no clue. I don't know how to answer that. But just to show, this is what my account looks like. So we're 6 days in, right? And our peak was 1.4K, and then we had this 1K loss. Obviously, I think I did go over that. 1K loss, kind of just a break-even day here. Then this was I guess this would have been last night or yesterday. Yeah, this would have been yesterday. We were up 600, and then during. Wait, that doesn't add up for some reason. Hold up. Wait, New York. Oh, that was from. No, that does make sense. Okay, that was from Yeah, okay. So that was from today after today's New York session closed. So we just lost 600 during Asian. That's why we're back at break even. So yeah, that's what the top step chart looks like. And yeah, I mean, not much to say other than really need to lock in. Here's best day 800, worst day 1K. So we'll be at break even pretty much. I mean, we're barely like what, $50. Doesn't really matter. So yeah, tomorrow we'll be looking during New York session, Asian session, only during New York, and hopefully we can hit a nice trade during New York. Oops, that's Discord. But yeah, hopefully we can hit a nice trade during New York, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. You know, we're gonna be locked in. We're gonna hit a trade, and yeah. The okay, whatever. I'll see you guys tomorrow.